Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss our topic, the hybrid app. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in mobile technologies and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, hybrid app is a software application that combines elements of both native app and web application. Hybrid apps are essentially web apps that have been put in a native app shell. Once they are downloaded from an app store and installed locally, the shell is able to connect to whatever capabilities the mobile platform provides through a browser that's embedded in the app. The browser and its plugins run on the back end and are invisible to the end user. Hybrid apps are popular because they allow developers to write code for a mobile app once and still accommodate multiple platforms. Because hybrid apps are add an extra layer between the source code and the target platform, they may perform slightly slower than native or web versions of the same app. The features of the hybrid application includes the ability to function whether or not the device is connected, integration with the mobile device file system, integration with web-based services, and embedded browser to improve access to dynamic online content. Hybrid app works similar to web apps, but like native apps are downloaded to the device, similar to web apps. Hybrid apps are typically written in HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. Hybrid apps run code inside a container. The device browser engine is used to render HTML and JavaScript and native APIs to access device-specific hardware. Although a hybrid app will typically share similar navigation elements as a web app, whether or not the application can work offline depends on its functionalities. If an application does not need support from a database, then it can be made to function offline. The advantages of hybrid apps include it operate on different platforms, faster build times, cheaper to develop, and easier to launch patches and updates, and it can work online and offline both mode. The disadvantages of hybrid apps that variations due to leaning development on one platform. As an example, if a development team leans their work on one platform, another supported platform may lack in quality or suffer from bugs. The appearance of an application may vary from platform to platform. The need to test the application on a range of devices to ensure proper operation. The user experience may fall if the user interface is not similar to and well enough designed to whatever browser the user is used to. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.